Want to get new HyperOS style control center on your Redmi phone? It's more than just flipping a switch. You'll need tools like Shizuku and Kante to remove the gray overlay and get the blur effect right. In this video, I'll guide you through installing and enabling HyperOS Control Center step by step. So let's jump straight into it. First, open up the Settings app, then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Feedback. Next, then tap Issues with Signal Reception. After that, tap No below. Then tap Submit. Here, make sure to select Issues from the top. Now tap on the text box and write, "My Control Center settings is missing on my phone. Please fix this issue ASAP." Then tap on Select Item. Now find the Control Center. Then set the present time. Next, enter your email address here. After that, mark the Add Logs option. Finally, tap Send. The Xiaomi team will contact you within 24 to 48 working hours. That's all for today. Now you know how to enable the HyperOS style control center on your Redmi phone. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.